India, 3M set up its operation about 26 years ago. This automotive business is one of the largest business for 3M in India, and even globally, 3M is widely present in the automotive market. We have been focusing around the NVH, noise, vibration, harshness opportunities in the automobile segment of India. We have been collaborating in several aspects with LMS. In fact, the entire NVH initiative that we have taken, the LMS played a key role in setting up the acoustic lab over here by providing equipments, test solutions, etc. Out here in this laboratory, we have got capabilities around simulation, very well supported by the LMS systems. And we believe that there is a huge opportunity for innovative solutions around acoustics. OEMs are focusing around lightweighting, and fuel efficiency is a given direction for every car maker. So as you try to lighten the vehicle, reduce the weight of the vehicle, and thereby achieve more and more fuel efficiency, make lean burning or lighter engines, there is going to be more noise radiating out of the systems or the subsystems associated with those. So we cannot afford to add more NVH solutions that adds to the vehicle weight. Our solutions help reduce the noise effectively and at the same time reduce the content weight.
In today's world, the auto industries are mainly focusing on three governing factors: cost, weight, and performance. And while we take this VOC from the customer, we try to do our product development while we try to develop various NVH products so that it fits into that basket of cost, weight, and performance. So as you know, 3M has products in the absorber category, barrier, and dampers, and there are also materials which are combining all these three solutions. So 3 years ago, when we were trying to develop this product, so OEMs were more interested to understand the clinical way of approach. But after we partnered with LMS, it gave us an opportunity to give the OEMs the end-to-end solutions, right from material level to component level and moving to the complete system, the vehicular level systems. So we try to take various solutions in the material, component, and vehicular level from LMS India. For example, if I would take absorbers, which we have to measure mostly the sound absorption coefficient or barriers for sound transmission loss. So we use the LMS impedance tube. We also use the impact hammer, which helps us to diagnose and understand the loss factor and the damping coefficient of our damping materials. And recently we partnered with LMS India to develop solutions for component level testings also. So I would like to take the example of our various diagnostics which we do in our reverberation chamber. So in reverberation chamber, as you know, we can take a lot of measurements, like we can take the components, for example, firewall or the door trim or the headliner. And what we want to basically understand is how the noise is propagating through these components, having those acoustic materials in there. We also have the intensity mapping solutions from LMS, which helps us to understand the optimizing techniques or to understand the noise source diagnostics at both stationary measurements and transient measurements. And it helps us to give us a color map, which can be used for decontenting the total NVH content so that we don't over-engineer the product and at the same time have a good balance between cost, weight, and performance.
The key support that we receive from LMS is towards bringing in efficient methods for evaluation, diagnostics, etc. So when we try to provide these kind of solutions, these solutions have to be customized for the OEMs. And I guess the LMS systems help us to do it much more effectively and efficiently.
So in 3M, we do a lot of NVH analysis, simulation analysis, and in current market trend, so there are a lot of NVH packages available, but all for doing the NVH simulation, we need a lot of input parameters. With the LMS test solutions, we can get the additional flexibility to get the material properties faster, and especially for the 3M complex materials, which can be fed into the vibroacoustic simulation.
As far as the future is concerned, we would like to continue our effort around light-weighted solutions for the acoustic market. The second point is there are many other areas where we think we can look into from an acoustic treatment standpoint, and we would like to seek LMS help in these areas. For example, as I mentioned, the trend of lightweighting is going to continue, and thereby there will be newer innovations in materials, newer innovations in techniques for transmitting the power from the engine to the axle, and therefore there will be many more subsystems that are going to be involved in driving better efficiency in the cars. In the lab, we have competent people, engineers who have been demonstrating the power of 3M products, and majority of those demonstrations come through LMS evaluation systems. So we would like to see this continuous path of collaboration and growth, and we continue to work together to get much better solution, improved solution, and thereby help our basic mission in 3M, that is to touch human lives with scientific applications.